Okay, so I've purchased the SSL cert. So click on this bottom button to begin issuing my SSL cert. The next step that I need to do is to choose my automated authentication option down here. So I will choose the email authentication process, where it says that the email must be sent to any contact email address listed on your Whois, or one of those pre-authorized email addresses down here. Then I'm going to scroll down here. So this is the important part. You need to input your CSR, which stands for Certificate Signing Request. You need to get this CSR key from your web hoster or from your cPanel, whatever that you're using. To generate the certificate signing request under cPanel, scroll down to the security section here and click on SSL/TLS. Then under the certificate signing request CSR title here, click on this link. This is where you get to generate your new CSR. So for the key, generate a new 204@bit key. For domains, you need to enter your domain name and as well as the subdomains. For example, if your domain name is boofstan.com, I will also enter www.boofstan.com. Next, I will specify the city, my state, my country, company name, division if I have one, and the email address. The email address that you should enter here is the email address that you use in the website where you're going to generate your SSL cert. Then you can also enter a passphrase here. Passphrase is like a password. So I will just leave this empty. So generally, I would just recommend you to leave this empty. Then you can leave a description and finally click on Generate button here. Once you generated your CSR, you should get something like this. So next step is to copy this entire text here and paste it on your SSL issuing website. So the next step is to paste the CSR here. Paste it here. Remember, you need to add the begin and end request lines here. Then scroll down and click on Continue. So the next step is for me to confirm my information. First, to confirm my domain name, which is correct here, my information down here, and the approver's email address. For this case, I'm going to select and ensure that this email is valid. Then scroll down, check on all these things, then click on Continue. This is the email that I received from Komodo. So what I need to do is to browse to this link and enter this validation code here. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to copy this validation code here, paste it here, and click Next. So that's all to it. Next, I need to wait for another email from Komodo where they will send me the SSL certificate that they issued. So next step is I need to return to the website where I purchased my SSL, and under my orders, click on View, and I will be able to download my certificate at this button here. Click on it and save the certificate which is in a zip file.